Welcome children. Now we are going to see how to construct a triangle if the median is given. So turn to page number 175, example 4.17. Construct a triangle PQR in which PQ equal to 8 centimeter, angle R is equal to 60 degree and the median RG from R to PQ is 5.8 centimeter. Also, we have to find the length of the altitude from R to PQ. For that, first we are going to draw the rough diagram. So here PQ is the base and so you have to draw PQ of length 8 centimeter and mark the angle R as 60 degree and from RG and the median RG, that is from R to PQ, is 5.8 centimeter. That we have to mark in the rough diagram. Rough diagram. Okay, here you see PQ is the base of length 8 centimeter. Then angle R is equal to 60 degree. From R to PQ, the length RG is 5.8 centimeter. That we are marking in the rough diagram. Okay, PQ and R is 60 degree and the median length RG from R to the midpoint of PQ, that is called RG. That is the median, midpoint, joining the midpoint of PQ. That is called the median. That is 5.8 centimeter. Now, coming to the FAR diagram. So it's enough to draw this one RG alone. No need of drawing another one line. That's enough. What is given in the book, no? The same way you can draw the rough diagram. Okay. Now first you draw a line segment PQ of length 8 centimeter that we are drawing using the scale. Then we take the protractor with the PS center in the downward direction. We have to draw an angle of 60 degrees. See how to draw 60 degree. How to keep the protractor 10, 20 like that, no? 60 degree. You mark it. So that is then you can draw a ray. So now the angle QPX, you can mark it. That is 60 degree. QPE is 60 degree. Now we have to draw the perpendicular. For that, you keep the protractor on the line PE, the new line, no, PE. And you have to mark 90 degree from P. So now we got the perpendicular 90 degree. So angle FPE is 90 degree. Now what we are going to do is we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line PQ. For that, you have to take the radius more than half of PQ. So the length of PQ is 8 centimeter. So half of 8 is 4. So now we can take 4.2 centimeter, okay? With PS center above the line PQ on arc and below the line PQ, you can draw an arc. Then with the Q as center with the same radius, draw another one arc above and below. You all know how to draw the perpendicular bisector, okay? Now you can join. You will get the intersecting point of the perpendicular bisector and the 90-degree angle. That point you can mark it as O. Now the important thing is going to start. You with O as center and OP as radius. OP as radius with O as center, you have to draw a circle. Okay. So this circle should pass the points P and Q. Okay. So now we got the point. Now we have drawn the circle. Now what you are going to do with the Q, with the G as center. So can you able to see Q as center? You can take 5.8 centimeter as radius. 5.8 centimeter. Both the sides you are drawing one arc with 5.8 centimeter as radius with G as center. Since the median is given as 5.8 centimeter. Now we can join P and R and Q and R. So we got the triangle PQR. Okay. Now in the question we are going to find the length of the altitude. For that, what we are going to do is we are extending the line PQ. We are extending the line PQ. Since it is given, find the length of the altitude from R to PQ. For that, we are just extending the line PQ. Extending the line PQ. Now, with the QR as center, with R as center, you can draw arc with R as center. See, the R as center, cut arcs like this. Then you can take the radius more than half of this one, this two arcs, no? With this point as center, draw an arc, and with this point as center, another one arc. Okay, this point. So now we got this one, that is the altitude. Now this altitude cuts the line segment PQ at the point P. Yes. So we have to measure the distance RH. RH, okay. So the length of the altitude RH is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. In the book it is given RM. You can mark it as M also. RM also. In the place of H you can mark it as M. So the RM is 3.5 centimeter. You can name anything. Okay. So hope you understood this one.